Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the 3rd annual Burton Brooks Peach Orchard Car Show in Barney, Georgia. And this is Car Show Cab. Oh man, this was a great show. Lots of cars out there, somewhere between 125 150 cars. Picturesque scenery, under the trees. It was just nice. Lots of unusual cars out there that you don't see elsewhere. So it was great. So, anyway, we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoy the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Yeah, there's a few cars here, dear.
Yeah.
Where you're going to find a park. Maybe in there by that gray truck. I don't know.
Park down here.
Yeah.
Park right there in front of that Toyota.
Yeah. Why do they keep turning around and looking?
Not sure.
Well, no. I don't think you can park right there.
No, I'm going to park right there in front of that Toyota.
Okay.
That way I got plenty of room.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's in the shade.
Yep. Alrighty then. They got plenty of beaches. There was a line.
I ain't surprised.
Oh, shit.
Playing.
Yeah. I guess they can there. Should have got it on video, huh?
Well, it kind of is.
Oh, okay.
Maybe a little bit.
Alright. I guess I'm ready to ride. You're going to have to back up.
Yeah, I know.
Alright.
I was debating on which way to go out. Go out over here or go out and run through the cars over there.
Yeah.
I think I'll run through the cars over there.
Alright. You can't get out down there. There's a truck in the drive.
Well, I meant to drive across the front through the cars.
Oh, okay.
But I'll just go this way.
Alright. You smell that burnt rubber?
Yep. Gators.
Yeah, I ain't standing in line for ice cream.
Nope.
That's really neat though, red, white, and blue.
Yeah.
Yeah. So which ones is his? The blue Mustang?
No, right there. The red truck and the gray truck.
Oh, okay. Alright, Sims who has the Mustang.
Yeah. That Mercury right there behind the is the one he was talking about a minute ago.
Yeah. That's rare.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got pictures. That thing's annoying.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a little annoying. Well, he just reparked.
Yeah. Because he let the guy that was beside him out.
Not a lot of newer cars.
No. Which is good.
Yeah. Got one coming.
This was a very good show.
Yeah.
And another.
Mm-hmm. Strange looking Toyota.
Yeah.
Good and cold.
Figured we'd let the gnats blow out for a minute.
Alright.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the 3rd annual Burton Brooks Peach Orchard Car Show up in Barney, Georgia. It was an awesome show. Great show. We really enjoyed ourselves up there. Lots and lots of different cars. There were several rare cars up there that you don't see at much of any car shows. So it was a real treat to get to see those. So, we hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Keep these videos coming at you. We'll keep making them as long as you guys keep watching them. And share it around to your friends, your car people, your non-car people. We don't discriminate. We appreciate anybody that watches our video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.